This is a multiple choice question about the supply of labour in the labour market, and it says which of the following is a factor affecting the supply of labour. Remember, the supply of labour is people offering themselves to work in that market. So they're saying, I am here, I'm willing and able to work. They are supplying themselves. So workers, remember, supply labour. It's the firms that demand that labour. So we want to know what will affect the supply of labour. So the effort made by the workforce. This won't affect how many people are supplying their labour to the market. That would just affect what they're capable of doing. So the answer isn't A. B, an increase in the productivity of labour. Again, that would affect how much they're capable of doing. If there is more effort, for example, being made by workers, then the productivity, the output per worker per time period of the labour would go up. But that won't affect how much labour there is being supplied into the market. It will just affect how much the labour supplying itself is able to produce. So that is also wrong. C, the speed of growth of markets. This means if a market's growing, so for example, if the car market is growing and more people are buying more cars in an economy, then that will cause there to be greater demand for labour to make the cars. But we're looking at things that affect the supply of labour. And initially, if a market grows, first of all, there's going to be more demand for labour. So that's not the answer. The last one, let's hope this is right, the size of the working population. This is the right answer, because if you have more people in the working population, that's people who are willing and able to work, then there will be more people who are supplying their labour, because they're saying, I'm here, I'm willing, I'm able to do a job, and they supply themselves to the market. So the answer is D.